This video is created by free AI tool. You don't need GROK AI to create videos like this. Let me play the video so that you are going to watch the video and see how the video look like.
Girl, this GROK AI no day really free again, no. You go subscribe before you fit even generate video. Now wow. People no happy about M at all. Everything now na subscription.
But some people just don't understand.
Now wow. People no happy about M at all. Everything now na subscription.
Now you see those videos you just watch right now? Those videos are created by free AI tool. So if you cannot use GROK AI to generate videos again anymore, you can use this new AI tool I'm going to show you right now in this video. Because right now you cannot create videos with GROK AI for free. You need to pay before you can create a video on GROK AI. But I found a new AI tool that allows you to generate videos for free without subscribing, without paying for anything. And in this video, I'm going to review everything for you. So without wasting much of your time, let's go dive into it. So to get started, all you have to do is to head over to your browser. Just go to your browser. It could be Google Chrome and any browser you are using. Just go to your browser and you are going to type this name of this app that you are seeing, this AI tool here. As you can see, it's called Byte Plus, as you can see. Then the next thing you are going to do is you click on this first one here. And when you click on it, it's going to open and you are going to see the interface. And as you can see, this is how the interface look like. This is how the interface look like. So the next thing you are going to do is to just log in into your account. Now it's still opening. Let me allow it to open fully. And after it open, I'm going to show you how you are going to use this AI tool to start generating video for yourself. So if you don't have money to pay for GROK AI, you can use this AI tool to start using it and be generating free videos for yourself. Now on your dashboard like this, all you just need to do is just to scroll down here, and you are going to, when you scroll down, you are going to see start for free. As you can see, start for free, you click on it. Now this is where you are going to get started, and it's going to bring you to an interface like this. You can decide to put your email address and your information, but me, I prefer using my Gmail direct. So I'll just click on continue with Google. Now the next thing you are going to do when you are in the interface like this, make sure you scroll down, you go down here, and you are going to see where you are going to see, as you can see. Then you are going to see all this one that says Cadence Art, industry leading image and video generation model with multiple storytelling. You're also going to see world leading multiple image generation. So you just click on it. You click on like this one now. You click on it. And when you click on it, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. As you can see, it says Dream 5.0 Lite, next generation intelligence. Then you click on try for free. And you click on translate to English. And it will bring you to an interface like this. As you can see, we have video generation here. We also have image generation here. So before we get started, I'm going to show you how you can also use this platform to generate image. And from the image, we are going to use that image to generate videos. Now, when you click on image generation here, let's put it on image generation. It's going to bring you to an interface like this, as you can see, where you can also upload an image reference, or you just enter a simple prompt to start uploading your image and you start generating your image. Now, when you put it here, you're also going to set your resolution, everything, because it has limitation. Now, I'm going to go to ChatGPT and copy some image prompts. I get some prompts I will copy from ChatGPT. Then I'll use that prompt to generate an image. Now, this is ChatGPT. So I need to copy this image prompt. I need to copy this. I'll copy from here like this. I'll copy my image prompt. I have my prompt already. Now this is the image prompt. After copying the image prompt, I'll go back to the AI tool. Now this is the AI tool. So I'll paste my prompt here. After pasting the prompt, the next thing I'm going to do is just to click on generate. But before that, I can select here and put it automatic, how I want it. Then put it on this automatic. Now my result, as you can see, this is where I'll select my resolution. If I want it for TikTok, for YouTube, for Facebook, everything, I will select it here. Now I'll put it on this 16.9 because I want to use it for YouTube. Now your weight, everything, you can also select it here. As you can see, how you want it to be, everything you can select here. Now I'll put this on 2K. If you want for 4K, you can also put it for 4K, but right now I'll use 2K. Now upper limit pitch, upper limit Now you can also select this, your result, maximum number of image you want to generate. You can put it on 3, you can put it on 4. Now let's leave it on 2 so that we are going to select one after the result. Now the next thing, you are going to take it to this side and you click on generate here. As you can see, this generate by your side here. Make sure you click on it, and in a minute it's going to start generating our image and we are going to see our result. So this is the prompt to get, and it's going to generate our image for us. Now as you can see, it's generating the image here. So let's give it some minutes and it's going to generate this image. Make sure you watch this video to the end, don't skip any part, because by the end of this video I'm going to show you how you are going to be getting unlimited, how you are going to upgrade your plan so that you'll be getting unlimited, where you'll be using it to generate images or videos. You don't need to use another AI tool to generate image before you generate your videos. No, you can use this same AI tool to generate your image and also generate your videos. So let's give it some minutes. It still generates our image. It's still generating our image. Meanwhile, if today is the first time you're coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do wait to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, this is our result here. This is our result here. Let me zoom it so that you guys are going to see. This is our result. Now, according to the prompt, if you check the prompt I gave to it here, I say two Nigeria girls in their early 20s, pointing lead by side, both face clearly visible and facing straight towards the camera, medium close up. So as you can see, this is what I gave to it. This is what I gave to it. Now I can just click on download here and I will download this image to my phone. If I want to regenerate this video image again, if I'm not okay with the result, I can just click on regenerate again, as you can see, or I'll edit the image. If there is something I want it put or something like that, I can regenerate the image. Now this is the result. Everything I give to it, the prompt, everything, and it generate the image. Now let's go back. I've downloaded this image to my phone. Now if I want to generate video, now what I just need to do is just to bring it here to this where you say video generation, and I'll put it on this video generation. Now when I put it on this video generation, so when you click image generation, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Now as you can see, you can also upload your first image and your second image. Like if you want to do start frame and end frame, like other AI tools are doing, like VO3 and other AI tools like CDS, all those things, you can use it. Now all you just have to do is just to upload your image here if you want to use your image. Right now I will be uploading my image. The image will just download more minutes ago. Now let me click here and upload the image. Now this is the image here. This is the image. I'll upload the image. Now after uploading the image, I can select my resolution and the quality, video quality. Now you can select it. Now as you can see, you can decide to put it on 720p or you put it on 1080p. But if you want to put it on 1080p, that means you are going to use enough of credit and it's going to consume your credit. So I'll put it on 720p and my resolution, that is my aspect ratio, I'll put it on 16.9 also. Now after that, you come down here, you select your video duration. You can decide to take it to 12 seconds or you can decide to take it to 5 seconds. Now I will leave it in 6 seconds like this. Now your video result, I'll put it on 1. I just want to have one, because the more you put it on big one, the more credit you are going to spend. Now after setting everything, we set everything, our result and also our output, that is our sound. Now we need to put our prompt. Now I've got my prompt on ChatGPT. I just need to come here and copy my video prompt. Now this is my video prompt here. This is my video prompt. Now after copying the prompt, I'll go back to the AI tool and I'll paste the prompt here. Now after pasting the prompt, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on generate here. As you can see, generate. Then I'll click on generate, and after I click on generate, it will start generating my video in less than 1 minute and you are going to see the result. So this is how you are going to do it. Now if you have maybe start frame and end frame, if you have been following my channel, I've talked about that before on my previous video, how you can use start frame and end frame image. So you can upload 2 images here. You just upload your first image and upload your second image and it's going to generate the video for you using start frame and end frame. Now it's generating our video. As you can see, it's generating our video. That is why this place is blank. So we have to give it some minutes and it's going to generate. I'm going to show you guys the result. As you can see, it's generating our video. So if you don't have money to pay for GROK AI, you can use this AI tool to generate your image and also use it to generate your videos. So if you don't have money for GROK AI, you can use this AI tool as an alternative and you'll be generating your videos. Meanwhile, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. So let's give it some minutes so that it's going to generate our video and I'm going to show you guys the result. And by the end of this video, I'm also going to show you how you are going to get unlimited access to this AI tool so that you can be using it every time and be generating your videos. Guys, I know you enjoyed this video, but wait, have you subscribed to this YouTube channel? If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please support us by subscribing to this YouTube channel and also like this video and comment in the comment section of this video so that YouTube is going to recommend this video to more people. Don't forget to subscribe so that when else we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, let's go back to our video. Now, our video is ready here. Our video is ready. This is the video. This is the video here. It's my network, that is why it's still doing something like this, but this is the video. So we can decide to download this video to our phone. All we just need to do is just to click on this download here and the video is going to start downloading to our phone and it's downloading with the best quality. So as you can see, the video is downloading. It's a good quality video. So this is let me play the video on full here so that you guys are going to see how the video is. Now this is the video.
Girl, this GROK AI no day really free again, oh. You go subscribe before you fit even generate video.
So as you guys can see, that is the video we just generated right now. So if you want to generate more, like my second scene right now, all I just have to do is just to upload second image again. I'll just click on here and I'll upload my second image. Now, upload my second image again. And the next thing I'm going to do is to go back to GROK ChatGPT and I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy this again. After copying, the next thing I'm going to go back to the AI tool and I'll upload it, paste the prompt here, and I will set this just like I set it before. And the next thing I'm going to do is to click on generate. And when I click on generate, it's going to generate the second scene for me. So if you have long video you want to generate, like 3-minute video, 5-minute video, this is the same process you are going to use. You will be generating the image. If you just be uploading the image and after you upload the image, then you'll be generating your videos. If you have multiple image already and you want to create consistency character for a long video, all you just have to do is just to upload your start frame and end frame. So if you want me to make video on how you can use this start frame and end frame to generate a long time video, you let me know in the comment section of this video. Just comment in the comment section of this video, comment long time video or just comment long video with AI and I'm going to check the video and I'm going to check the comment section. If I can be able to get like 10 comments that in the comment section of this video, and I'm going to make the full video for you guys. So right now it's generating our second video here. As you can see, it's generating our second video. Now this is our first video. This is our second video. So this is how you are going to use this AI tool and be generating your videos. Now after I generate this video for us, I'm going to show you how you are going to get unlimited access to this AI tool for those of you guys who want to be using this AI tool to be generating videos, because there's a limit how you can generate videos with this AI tool every day account. So I'm going to show you how you are going to get unlimited access, but let's just wait so that it can generate this video for us and I'm going to show you that. But meanwhile, if you have not subscribed, just the way I say by the beginning of this video, I want you to help us and subscribe to this YouTube channel so that when you subscribe to this YouTube channel, when next to drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Support us by subscribing, like this video and also comment. Now let's wait for the result. As you can see, this is our second result here. Now as you can see, just perfect. It look very nice. You guys can see it look very nice. I can also decide to download this to my phone, now to my laptop, sorry. Now this is the first result, this is the second result. Although I use the same character, I can decide to change the character or I can decide to use text to video direct. If I don't want to use image, I can decide to use text to video. Now if you want to use text to video, all you just have to do is just to remove this, and this is the text. As you can see, let's just use text to video, and the next thing you are going to do is to click on generate. You don't need to, if you want to use text to video, you don't need to upload any image. Just direct click, you put your prompt and you click direct, and it's going to start generating your image for you, your video for you, sorry. As you can see, This is the video. Now I use the same prompt I used to generate this video. The same prompt I used, the same prompt here, and I did not put the image. I want to see how it's going to do and generate the image to video for us. So let's wait for it to text to video for us. So let's wait for it to generate the result. I'm going to show you the result. Now this is the result I get. This is the result I got from text to video without uploading any image. I just upload the same prompt I give to this, the same prompt I gave, and this is the result. So let's download this to, as you can see, this is the result. Let me click on download, and I'm also going to download it. If you want to edit it or draw anything or generate it again, you can decide to generate it. Now remember, when you generate video with this AI tool, it comes with watermark. As you can see, watermark. On my previous video, I show you guys how you can remove this watermark. So you can do that and watch my previous video and remove watermark. Now let me show you how you are going to get unlimited access to this platform. And to get unlimited access to this platform, after you have successfully create your videos, and it says you can no longer generate video for the day, all you just have to do, you follow what I'm going to show you right now in this video. You just go back to your page, go to your home page. So let me refresh. I think my network. So you just need to go back to the home page, and you click on your profile icon here, and you are going to see logout. As you can see logout here, you click on logout on the account. The next thing you are going to do is to go to this, you go to your browser and you search for temp mail. What is it called? Temp mail, like this, temp mail, and you are going to see this one here. You click on it. Now when you click on it, it's going to take you to an interface where you're going to get a temporary email address. Now this is temporary email address. All you just have to do is just to copy this email address, and you go back to the platform, and you go down here, you click on sign up a new account. So you are going to open a new account, not the former one. You can open new account, and you put the email here. You put the email here. As you can see, you put the email, you select your username, you put your password, you click on you click on this two box, and after you click on this part, let me just register a new account so that you guys are going to understand what I'm saying. Then you put your password, what you want to use for the password. This is just a random account I want to create for you guys. Now after you put some random part, you create a password, you click on sign up like this, you click on verify, and you click on let me save this so that I can log into the account later. So they are going to send OTP to you, as you can see. Then you go back to the email account you just used right now, and you are going to see inbox here. As you can see, they have sent the OTP. You receive the OTP. You go down. This is the OTP number. You just copy the OTP number. You go back to the platform again, and you paste it here. Sorry, you paste the OTP here. Let me check the OTP again. It says 560458. 560458. 560458, and you click on continue. Now after you put the OTP, you click on continue, and a new account is going to be created for you, and you follow the same method I just show you right now, and you start generating your videos again. After that account is expired, you create another account again, and you do the same thing. And if you want to try one browser, it did not work for you, try another browser, and it's going to work for you. So this is how you are going to use this free AI tool and be generating videos for yourself. Now you have seen everything, how you are going to use this free AI tool to start generating videos for yourself. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if you have any question, any challenges, you let me know in the comment section of this video, and I'm going to respond to you and tell you what to do. Don't forget, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please subscribe to this YouTube channel so that when next we drop more videos on how you can be using AI tools for free, you should be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on our next video.